If you are wondering if Xiaomi 17 will receive the Android 17 update, then the answer is yes. You should be able to easily get Android 17 update at some point. For me, right now, as I'm recording this video, it's hard to tell when exactly you are going to see Android 17 on Xiaomi 17, simply because there is no official release of Android 17 yet. So of course, you probably want to look after some news, you want to search for news, etc., and look for official statements provided by Xiaomi, if there will be any, of course, but sooner or later you can be certain that you will receive Android 17 update on your phone. Maybe if you are watching this video much later in the future, maybe Android 17 is already available, maybe it's being rolled out, or maybe it will arrive soon. Ideally, you want to just check if there is a new update waiting for you just by going to the Xiaomi settings. Over here you want to go to About Phone and just tap on Xiaomi HyperOS. And if there is an update, then of course you should be able to get it. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.